food security and what is it? According to UN, it's a concept that measures whether a country and its people have physical, social, and economic access to foods that meets their preferences, nutritional, and dietary needs at any given time. In other words, food security also takes in account of four main things, which is availability, accessibility, stability, and utilizations. There are many ways to measure food security. For example, Global Food Security Index, which measure it by three main criteria, which is affordability, one, second, availability, and lastly, food and safety. In fact, Malaysia ranked the 28th country in 2019 Global Food Security Index. However, in this video, we are going to discuss one environmental pressure that has been affecting food security, which is climate change.
Next, the impact of environmental pressure. Environmental pressures such as climate change will affect the food security. This is because it can lead to severe environmental degradation through rapid depletion of the resources of the earth. Climate change will interrupt the supply of food, decrease access to food, and affect the quality of food. It is also projected temperature rise, changes in precipitation pattern, changes in severe weather events, and decline in water availability, which will contribute to decrease in agricultural productivity. What we eat is also influenced by the climate change. With a warmer temperature and more pests, less food will be provided by farms, and farmers are going to work harder to produce food. It may also be less nutritious for certain crops.
Future of food security. As the population increases, the demand for protein also increases. So first, we would need to find a new source for protein. This could be done by culturing meat. This is by using the technology of tissue engineering, in which the muscle cells will be turned into meat. Apart from that, we can also find an alternative source of protein by eating insects. Insects are nutrient-rich and also high in protein.
How food security can be more sustainable in the future? First step is fair trade. Make a list for your fair trade product that you can purchase from the supermarket or from your local shop. Next is using agroecology. Agroecology is the use of ecological process to design and manage agricultural production and create more sustainable farming system. The third step is less food wastage. Reducing food waste could help and feed many millions of people in the world, especially those hungry people, as certain of them does not access toward the food. This also benefit towards the reducing environment impact through changes in management practice that increase efficiently. From the discussion, climate change has been a cascade of risks from physical impact to our food security and agriculture production. To mitigate climate change, in order to keep it at a level where it is possible to ensure everyone's food security and nutrition. In that effort, agriculture has a role to play, keeping in mind that food security is the priority.